Okay, so my dream job is to be a clinical registered dietitian and preferably in peds so I can work with kids. This is my dream job because I've always wanted to do something that helps people, and I feel like it's especially important to help people to live a healthy lifestyle. And what better place to start with that than working with children? Um, so this class will get me there by furthering my education of all aspects of nutrition and food services, and it'll also get me one step closer to graduating. Um, and my action steps to get me there would be to graduate college, hopefully in May of 2020, and then do my internship this summer after, and then take the exam, the RD exam, and pass to get my certification and license and whatever else I need, and then apply to jobs and hopefully find one fairly easily.